Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Now let's take a look at the gold market. So recent couple of weeks were not really successful for gold. As you can see, market right now has dropped right to the strong support there that we have discussed already previously and just hangs over it. So it just stands around it. So surely the gold market, as any other market, investors here just starting preparation to ADP report, to non-farm payrolls release. So hardly we will see some strong action before this data will be released. But still, let's take a look what we have on intraday charts. On intraday charts, guys, by the recent drop here, market has created at least theoretical background for double repo buy pattern. So this was dropped down, closed above the 3-bar, closed below, and creating the new low. That is the positive sign for the double repo, and close above again. So that is confirmed double repo buy pattern. It has the minimum target around 1232, so this is the 50% resistance of the whole thrust down. But overall price action here looks not really very fascinating. So personally, I'm not sure that I would like to trade this double repo pattern, guys, because it definitely will depend on the data release. It could work in a direction as it should, but the driving factor will be not some market rebalancing on the support and of the demand and supply, as it usually happens when the double repo is driven by the market mechanics and shift in short-term sentiment. But that will be the data release. And in fact, using this double repo pattern, you will take the bet on the data release. That's why it's not as attractive as in the just common situation where you see some double repo at a strong level in some market. On the intraday charts, guys, yesterday's stop hasn't been formed. Here, as you remember, we have discussed the possible brand by the sell. Actually, I also have expected waiting for this trade, but as you can see, the drop down, my order has not been triggered for just few cents, because as you can see, drop here has started a bit earlier than ABCD completion point, and as you can see, we haven't got any 3-drive pattern that we are count on. So as a result, yes, some kind of the brand body action has happened here with this drop, but I was not in time to take the order to take the trade here, because I had to place the limit sell and was not on the computer when this trade has started, and order has not been triggered. Right now we see this upward retracement, and so even we have this bullish divergence, very nicely looking towards divergence. So maybe market will form here some kind of the hand and shoulders pattern or something. Maybe double repo will form, but definitely this action, if it will be triggered by some reason, by some factor, that probably definitely will be data release. So because nothing else will help us here. Taking in general an overall action that we have here on the gold market, as we have discussed many times already, the response of the strong support there is very heavy, very weak response, and this gives us a hint on the real weakness on the market. It's this really strong nasty candles to the downside and tail closing. This drop, this gives us a hint on the possible downward continuation. So if this level will be broken, this next level that we'll be watching for is this, will be this support, major 618 support 1188. That's what we'll be watching for. So that being said, at the bottom line in today's discussion, guys, I'm not forbidden to trade this pattern, but actually we have the theoretical background. We see the pattern. We have the strong daily support, bullish divergence on the hourly chart, and the double repo has appeared on the strong support area. and at least minor retracement is logical here. That's why it's okay to trade this stuff, but I'm just sharing with you with suspicions, with some doubts that I have about this pattern, and that is your personal view to take these doubts or not to take, because I'm not exclude the chance that market really could work. If there's a risk of this trading of this pattern is acceptable for you, you could try to trade it. Why not? Because this in general not really bad pattern that we have. So let's see what we will get on the gold market in the future, because it seems that the long time situation on the weekly chart and the monthly charts also starts to change, and probably very soon we will have to reassess on ongoing process on gold market that we see right now.